mode of reproduction is very important. First you see the first one is fusion. What fission? What do you mean by fission? Split. Okay, this fission is of two types: binary fission and multiple fusion. Binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission means what? Splitting the organism into the otherwise split organism split into two. Here the organism splits into more cells. Here the organism splits into more cells. Binary fission examples are, already we have discussed in the first paper, paramecium and also bacteria. Okay, here how many organisms are formed? Two organisms, two daughter cells are formed. And what is the manner here? Symmetrical manner. Symmetrical manner. See the textbook, children. Once single celled organisms such as paramecium and bacteria, they reproduce splitting into two. They are symmetrical. See, they are symmetrical. They split into two. They split into two. Whereas multiple fission, like a plasmodium, like a plasmodium. Look here, plasmodium, they split into many. So this is about the, now how do you think bacteria were dividing to form a curd? We already discussed that curd, they splitting into two. Curd also splitting into two. And here, what are the things you have to think? What is the thing you have to keep in your mind is examples. And main part here is these are symmetrical manner. These are in symmetrical manner. Next is what? Budding. Here the baby or a growth of the body, as a bud, this is called growth on a body. This is a growth on a body as a bud that grows into a identical. How it will be identical? This is very important for your bit. In which asexual mode of reproduction you are going to see the identical copy of the parent budding. When the bud totally grows, it separates. See, when the bud totally grows, it separates from the parent and live independently. Example, already you know, hydra and yeast. Look here, hydra will have a bud like this. When it grows fully, it separates from the mother and live independently.